Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, rather quiet weather this evening across southern New England. Partly cloudy, seasonably chilly near the freezing mark. Still holding on to that reddish tinge on the western horizon. The pictures from Providence. And you can see really not much in the way of cloud cover. We'll keep things generally clear this evening and right on through the overnight. You know, temperatures will be seasonably cold. It's in the low 30s, around the freezing mark right now in most locations. We'll head down to about 20 overnight into early tomorrow morning. So dry weather continues for now. 2 chances for wintry weather. Things start to get more active towards the end of the week. Now, the first is on Friday, snow going over to rain. That looks like a minor system. There may be a coating of snow that could impact the morning commute to some degree, but we're not anticipating a major storm on Friday. The second system, though, for the weekend, this is a Saturday night, Sunday, is more significant, but the precipitation type is still in question. It doesn't look like an all-snow kind of a deal. If anything, it may be a little bit of everything, snow, rain, and ice. So kind of a mess the latter part of the weekend. So stay tuned to further forecasts as to how that plays out, especially with the precipitation type. In the meantime, just enough cloud cover to give us a pretty sunset this evening. We widen out the view. Most of New England is dry. In fact, the eastern half of the country, it's pretty dry and clear, so really no weather issues for the next several days. But we continue to get more moisture coming in off the Pacific Ocean. This has been the pattern of late, and you can see moisture now coming in across the Colorado Rockies. So this will be our next system coming up for Friday. Again, it looks minor. And then another system that's out over the Pacific Ocean that hasn't even made it on shore yet, and that will arrive for the weekend. Seasonably cold across the continental U.S. The real cold temps, though, reserved just over the border in Canada. And we'll see a little piece of this come Thursday, and then noticeably colder. In fact, there could very well be some of the coldest air of the season when we start next week on Monday. In the meantime, watching 2 systems. Here comes the first one for Friday, system 1, and then system number 2 coming up for the weekend. Maybe a mess of everything, snow, ice, and rain, and that would be Saturday night into Sunday. And that includes really all of New England, not just here in southern New England. So for tomorrow morning, mostly sunny, cold, and dry. That's your sunrise temp, sunrise at 7:10. And then during the afternoon, hour by hour, looking at temperatures that'll be in the upper 30s early afternoon, and then dropping back to around freezing by this time tomorrow evening under mainly sunny skies. So your 7-day forecast shows a dry Thursday. That first system on Friday is fairly weak. May slow things down a little bit for the morning commute. Saturday day looks dry, and then that storm on Sunday, Saturday night and Sunday. And again, the precipitation type in question, but a slow-moving winter storm, but not necessarily all snow. Rain may be involved as well. Look at that temperature for the high on Monday and Tuesday, 17 and 19 degrees, a real strong shot behind Sunday's storm with some cold air coming in with nighttime temperatures that'll be in the single digits. So starting Friday through early next week, it starts to get a little more active as far as, temperatures and precipitation. So we'll keep you updated. Next couple of days, though, looking okay.
All right, Tony, thanks. We've